All right, that is a cool playground and this is a cool street. Anyways, I wanted to talk a little bit about finally, I guess, someone being satisfied with everything I've explored recently. So, this whole journey of being in Japan for a lot started last year when I decided to go to language school. Went to language school for about from January to March, the end of March, and then stayed in Kyoto for another 2 or so months, and then came back in the autumn. And this year, I stayed from January to April, basically. So that was, I mean, if you total all of it, it's about, I guess, 9 months. So that's a lot of time for me personally. I feel like I've explored a lot. I'm quite satisfied with just like that feeling, that urge to like go on an adventure. It's been quenched in a lot of ways, I'd say. Especially towards the end in Tokyo, like after I visited Mount Fuji, that area, I was just like, I don't really have a desire at all to really like explore right now. I kind of just want to spend time with people and the people I got to know, and the friends I made, and that was enough for me to feel like good. And I think once I head back to California, I'm ready to just like strap in, get a lot of work done, just really, really, really focus on things. Like I know a part of me is saying like I want to also maintain and keep this whole like going out and trying new things and meeting new people, and I do, but a part of me feels like I'm also happy if I spend a lot of time like just on my own and just working on my things. And maybe like on the weekends, I try to go out and meet other creative people and whatnot in Los Angeles. So yeah, it's interesting how things sort of change and how like my feelings about certain things change over time. But I still want to come back here, and I still do want to explore more. Like there are places I haven't seen in Japan, like Hokkaido, the Kyushu area, Fukuoka, like so many places that a lot of people have recommended to me that I do want to eventually see. But I think these feelings, they kind of come in waves, and I think also a part of not losing that sense of adventure and like also feeling the magic of being in a different country like Japan, like going back to California is actually a good thing in that sense, because it's able to help me reset. Like it's like a cycle of exploring and then a cycle of like rest and just doing my own thing, and then a phase, I guess, and then that's the cycle. So I'm looking forward to making a video in the future where I'm like, yes, I want to explore more. I'm not satisfied. it's definitely based around like the fact that I am knowing that I'm about to head back, that I'm feeling this way probably, as well as just like going on some bigger trips recently and just feeling like tired from it. So I'm fully aware that these are temporary feelings, but I think they're coming at the right time. And I felt the same way actually last year when I went back to California. I was like, yeah, I do feel like I'm kind of ready to go back. And that was like around May. So I think maybe there's something that happens in my brain where I'm just like, okay, yes, I know I'm gonna go back, so I might as well like sort of get excited about it or feel like I'm ready to, you know? So my brain sort of just adapts, or my mind adapts. But I think a truth is, if you were to stay here for too long, like let's say 5 years plus, I think you might just lose that sense like totally, and occasionally only go out like maybe once a year or something to a place that's like very, very nice, or a place you've never seen before. But that's like natural, I'd say. Anyways, that's just what I wanted to make for now. It's just a video discussing my feelings regarding being satisfied with the adventure I had, and now feeling like I'm ready to just get back to California and get some work done. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one.